Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A20e, and let me show you how to add profile picture to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then go to the contacts, here I am, and then select the contact that you would like to add the profile picture to. In my case it will be Alice. Then tap on Alice one more time and click on edit icon. Here just select the camera tab over here and add a profile picture using your camera or gallery, or you can also pick one from the defaults below, for example this one or that one, so it's up to you. And let me pick something from the gallery. Here it is. Now personalize it. You can make it bigger, smaller, adjust it to your needs and preferences, and finally click on save. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, once Alice will be calling, I will be able to see this profile picture, so there is no need to check who is calling because it will be obvious immediately. And that would be all. This is how you can add photo to contact in your Galaxy A20e. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.